Tonight we are at the California Botanic Garden in Claremont for a Luminaria walk, and it's very, very dark. The California Botanic Garden is devoted to California native plants and all the wildlife and people who love them. It is the largest botanic garden dedicated to California native plants, promoting botany, conservation, and horticulture to inspire, inform, and educate the public and scientific community about California's native flora. The garden is a living museum with curated collections of more than 22,000 California native plants, some of which are rare or endangered. Spread across 86 acres in Claremont, the garden displays about 200 taxa of California plants and includes those native to the California Floristic Province. During Luminaria Nights, be enchanted at this Claremont tradition where the garden glows with light for the holidays. Luminarias and other light installations will guide you through the nighttime garden paths, while you stop to enjoy festive and contemplative music at multiple venues. Drinks and treats will be available for purchase. This is such a nice change of pace from the bigger events that we've been to, like Lightscape and Astrolumina. It's just a beautiful, quiet, look how cold it is too, walk amongst the garden here. And this is the first time I've actually ever been here, so definitely want to come back during the day. It looks really pretty, but really enjoying this. Had a delicious gingerbread cookie, a nice hot cup of apple cider, and it is very, very dark, but I will tell you, it is amazing just what these little luminarias do. It is absolutely beautiful. Luminaria Nights at the California Botanic Garden takes place December 9th, 10th, 16th, and 17th only. That is it from the California Botanic Garden for Luminaria Nights. It's only 4 nights. Tonight was sold out. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain. So if you want to come, I would book your tickets for next weekend. I was pleasantly surprised. Never been here before. Definitely want to come back during the day. It was absolutely beautiful. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media. Happy holidays. See you next time.